Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing for the new Huawei Watch GT4 Golden Edition 41mm. So let's get started. So as we can see guys, this is the golden strap. It looks outstanding guys. I really like the design. For sure, obviously it's for ladies, and I can see that it's almost similar of the old Huawei Watch GT3 before, but with little bit different here. I can see the bezels is little bit thick than the old one, and plus Huawei Watch GT3 before, I remember that it comes with the curve screen, but here so flat screen. It really looks so good with that strap. As you can see, it's magnetic strap and ceramic in the back side with stainless steel golden case. So the watch, it looks amazing guys. I really like it. I like the design, I like the size. For sure it will suit and it will fit all the ladies' wrist. So amazing comparing to the 46mm. So we can see the difference. This is Huawei Watch GT2 Pro and this is GT4. So that's amazing guys. Let's put it up. And let's see what's inside the box here. So as usual, we have got the manual user and the warranty card, and on the other side the charger for the watch. And here, as we can see guys, I have already set up the watch. So we'll remove that screen, and I feel that it looks so elegant guys. Really, I like how it looks like with the bezels, with the strap. It's so unique and so elegant for the ladies for sure. And as we know that this software is almost the same like the old GT3. With the new updates, I guess there will be a new features added. And the strap, as you can see, it's for sure it's for ladies, but for people who have smart wrist, still it can work as well. So as you can see, so this is a 41mm watch with the slim bezels and golden strap, and how it looks like. And as we can see guys, they just added some new watch faces which you can play with it or change it, like this one. Also, if you will see this watch face here, the numbers, once you rotate the crown, the font become thick and changing to thin as well. As you can see, a lot of watch faces you can do some animation like this one as well. So the watch in total, guys, the watch looks amazing and so premium. I'll be doing another video talking about the full specs about this watch. Just stay tuned, and if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, like the video. Until I see you next time.